Yeah, Diesel?
That's it.
Oh, man. This is the new member. 859 boy.
Hustler.
Name's Diesel. Alright, we'll pull the truck in, get all the parts unloaded, and we'll start working on this baby. There's the 10.5 that I was talking about. They're Nitto NT555Rs. Probably the same tire I'm gonna run for the back. They're 305 3520s.
Nice meaty tire.
They're like 350 a piece or something like that. Well, you bought the same ones. How much did you pay for yours? Do you remember?
I don't remember, man. I paid less for sure.
Yeah. Hey, Les. Is that what you shop?
Yeah. Pay less shoes.
Boom.
Beautiful.
What is going on YouTube? It's Vlad and Mark with the 859 boys. Here we got basically everything to fix the 392. So I'm just gonna do a little unboxing. Let me see if I got the keys on me. Yep, they're in my back pocket. Follow me. So in the back of the car, what's pretty cool is there's a few spare parts. I mean, just the headlight. So here's the headlight. It's got a broken tab right there and 2 broken tabs right there, but it looks to be fine, honestly.
Fix them.
Yeah, and all the tabs are on the radiator support, so I'm gonna fix that headlight. And then this is a squared setup, so I got some nice 10.5s for the rear, and then we're gonna run those fronts, or the rears up front. Then this is the right side headlight right here, or the driver's side headlight. Right side headlight's over there. So nice reconditioned one. This box, I'm not sure what this is, honestly. Completely forgot. Oh, this is the lower
Radiator.
Lower radiator support. Mine's kind of bent and might as well get a new one. Not worry about it later down the road. So I got that. This is supposed to be the radiator support.
Top.
So the upper radiator support. I'm hoping I could get the car running and driving and somewhat drivable, and you know, we'll see. I got all the suspension components, so it shouldn't be too difficult.
Get it rolling today.
Is there a box cutter? Boom.
There you go.
We got a box cutter.
For boxes.
For boxes. It's like Christmas. So I ordered all these parts like 6 days ago, and they're all here. And probably, I know I'm missing a few things like the roof antenna, but I'll order that whenever. I'm just trying to get the basics. So yeah, here's the radiator support, the upper one. I'm probably gonna get painted blue. This box should be the rear suspension. Okay. Right here. Oh no. No. I hate this crap. Is that really it?
Maybe they sent another box. Was there supposed to be something else?
Oh, there's one more.
Oh shoot, we could
There you go.
have threw it out.
2 more. There's one.
Oh, there's 2 pieces.
Oh, this is the lower. And this is also the lower. This is like,
And this stuff's pretty thin.
yeah. It's insane. So like, seems like it's simple. I like it. Need to buy some lowering springs. Trying to slam this thing to get like a meaty fitment like I did on my other one.
You know, we always like it low.
Yeah, we're low lifes. Okay. This is the front control arm. So I'm not sure if mine's bent or not, but this is off of the front right side.
Beefy.
Then here, these are the steering rack and pinions. Yep, nice and straight, mine are bent. And then here, this is the front lower control arm. What side is this for? Because this is the same thing. It's the same exact thing.
Different side.
Yep, so let's try not to mix these up. All right, then what else do we have? Fenders. Ooh. Dang it. This is 5 This is a huge box. These fenders are big. All OEM, minus the M. Made in Taiwan.
Oh shit. Yang.
Tong Yang.
Tong Yang.
Sounds like a Chinese buffet.
And I don't know if these things will hold.
Here we go.
Second, dang.
Ooh, these things are huge. Oh, well, that's it.
All the parts.
Let's get to work. Hansen. It basically breaks nuts, so we're going to use that to pop off the wheels. We're going to go from corner to corner and fix the suspension. Oh, there we go. Them is destroyed.
Nice.
Post. Okay. We'll toss these aside.
Basically just
So this is the control arm, and then this pinion.
steering
And
pinion.
I think this thing's bent,
Yeah.
so I'm gonna change this. All right, let's lift the car up.
That's good.
Can we turn it? No. All right, it's just
Gonna take
this
everything
nut right
off.
there.
Bottom nut. Yeah, Alan.
pan. Okay, now this.
Rack and pinion.
Yeah, I hate changing these things.
There you go.
Don't be that one guy like yesterday.
Banging on the top.
Oh, there we go.
Man, everything's coming apart easy for you.
It's a brand new car, dude.
What is it, 2012?
No, it's a 2009. They're the same. I mean,
Same body
gonna,
style.
Yeah, nobody's gonna be able to tell that
Yeah.
it's a 9. I mean, it looks just like a 18,
Honestly,
a 19.
you look rich either way on
Yeah.
it, you know.
Just throw on some Hellcat badges. And yes, sir.
Bumpers.
I already got the reps, the Hellcat wheels. What kind of tires we doing?
You just don't know how to use them.
Think so?
So you're an office guy.
I'm a noob. Okay. Pop it out.
Very nice. Did you buy a new boot?
No, forgot. Can I buy a universal one?
Yeah, I think. Loose.
What the heck?
Uh-oh.
That's not good.
Alright guys, we beat this out nice and straight.
Yeah, no auto parts store sells them, so
Yeah.
that one's got a smaller thread.
One good hit.
That's all it takes. Alright, so here's the old control arm, the lower one. Good thing I did buy it, because this thing is bent. Here's the new one, just in reference, so you could tell the difference between that and that. So we're gonna pop this on. So,
Got it, all the bad parts off. Now just assembly.
yep. So we popped on the suspension on this front right side, and as you can tell on the upper control arm, this bolt is just sitting on the tires, so that's no good. If you look under here, you could tell the spindle is rubbing up against the strut, so this spindle is complete toast. So gonna have to order a new assembly for that. As you can see, it's just ka-chowing. No bueno. Thought I was gonna drive this thing today, but things happen. So let's buy some lug nuts. Got the adapter. Let's toss on this 10.5 on the rear.
Pop it off.
So this one's a 10.5. This one's a go. Got plenty of sign life. I'm pretty sure it's a 20 by 9. Yeah, 20 by 9. Same thing as the front. This is a 20 by 10 and a half. Boom. Toss these on.
Man, looks sexy with the big ones.
Is it gonna clear? I wonder if it's gonna clear. These are wraps. I'm gonna take off these SRT center caps, put on those regular black ones, and then I'm probably just gonna get black lug nuts later down the road. This is the only thing we had at our tire discount. So we're going on this side. We got this lower control arm that's bent, and this steering tie rod's a little bent. So we'll straighten that out, change this control arm, and then we'll go to the back. And for the back, we are changing the whole assembly. So spindle, rotor's cracked, ordered another one, changing the spindle, changing this control arm, changing the spring perch, changing this control arm, so, and the upper control arm. So basically everything minus the spring and the shock. And yeah, let's get to it. Mark, show them what we're about to do.
We're gonna get this torch, start it up, heat this right here because it's bent, hit it towards this way,
straighten it out. Let's do it. So we're about to change this lower radiator support. As you can tell, this one's bent. We got a new one right here.
2 bolts here, 2 bolts there, and we're out. You good.
You think it's gonna leak?
When I look at you, I wouldn't even want you to fix my Camry.
Because your Camry ain't worth nothing. You would have had the money to pay me.
Why are you always right? Too many ugga-tuggas. Tighten it up. Clean.
Nice.
Solid.
And James. Show him the camera. Look at this. That's so bad.
Oh, dude.
Look at that.
Dude, that's clean. Freaking clean. It's rubbing a little bit. Bent. Clapped.
I don't have to change it, so I don't have to take this off. I just change this, change the upper, that one, and then the spindle.
Oh, there's nothing to do here.
Yeah, it's pretty easy.
So I should just go home, right?
Yeah, just go home, start walking. I'll pick you up whenever I leave. Broken. This thing's capped. We got a new one though.
Oh, that one comes with brakes.
That's what I was telling you.
Are you kidding me?
And the e-brake line unhooks over here.
Dude.
Right there.
Dude. All right, guys. So, Vlad's taking off these control arms. This top aluminum one, steel one he's unscrewing right now.
18.
This one, everything. Swap them out with these. So stay updated. We're gonna have this thing rolling today.
Going on YouTube, it's Vlad and
Mark.
And we're the 859 boys. So right behind us, we got my 392. And today we did some work. What do we do, Mark?
So we fixed up the suspension, but around 85% done.
85.
So we still got a couple more parts we need to order.
Yep.
So a couple bolts, a couple nuts, little stuff, and
ins and outs, just a couple pieces. So basically, fixed the suspension on the front left, fixed it on the front right, fixed it on the rear right. We do still need, I need a front spindle for the front right. Actually, my lower or upper control arm is rubbing on my tire and my spindle is rubbing on my strut. So my whole spindle is just bent and tweaked. So I'm gonna get that ordered. And then I also need a camber adjustment bolt for the rear. And then I need a rear rotor, and one more bolt for the caliper. But other than that, this thing is good to go. Yeah, next video, we're gonna do a burnout. And what are we gonna do in the next video, Mark?
yeah, so next video, we're gonna pop on the fenders, which we already have in hood, front bumper, basically all the body panels, and then we're gonna put it all together, make sure it all lines up, and hopefully do some Bondo work, paint work, and hopefully finish her up.
Yeah, so next video, gonna get the fenders, bumper, hood assembly,
Still gotta get a windshield.
Yeah, so I got a quote, it's like 220 installed, so it's not bad. I think I'm gonna do that after we get all the body work done. But next video, we're gonna do a burnout. We're gonna get this thing rolling because I want to drive it. I want to see what the 392 is about. Because we've been at car shows and we wanted to race a couple. I mean, Chargers are nice. Always wanted to race a Challenger, so it's a 6.4. It should be pretty fun. So I want to see what this thing's got.
A lot of torque.
Yeah, a lot of torque. And then next video also, we're gonna be working on Mark's project.
Yeah,
what
my
are you
truck
doing?
we're trying to put some power in it, but first we got to get the body work done.
Yeah.
Paint the full truck. We're looking for a bed. If you guys can hook me up with the 03 to 08 bed, an 8-footer.
Yeah.
But if you guys have one, hit me up. So
yeah, that's all he needs, and then he's gonna be buying performance parts,
maybe
wheels,
bigger turbos.
Yeah, all the goodies. So it's coming. It's coming. Yeah, it's gonna be a fun ride. But yeah, first we gotta get the basics. He's gotta get the bed, Got to get the thing painted, and then he's gonna look
wheels,
into wheels,
like
chromes or blacks. I don't know.
Yeah, we'll see.
We'll see.
Surprise.
Yeah. So stay tuned. See you guys.
See you guys.
Lad's doing a startup. Should be cold.